Hey guys, what's up? Bringing you a new video. Today I want to show you my version of the Dakota Firepit. It's a little more modern, and I'm just using all repurposed things that I have here around the property. So let's get started. So I just wanted to show you first of all what we have so far. This is the fire pit that I made quite a few months ago, and it's worked fine for now, but it's definitely has a lot of smoke during when we do fires. So we're gonna show you the new version that we're gonna make, and I'll show you that now. So what I did was I got all the blocks that I figured would work for this project out of the back of the barn, and I found this vent for a dryer vent that we got when we bought a new dryer for our house. It came with that, and since we already had one, I just reused the one we had, so I figured might as well repurpose that. And this is what I got so far. This is basically the design I'm going for. I'm going to be putting the vent through these holes and having it give oxygen to the fire so that we can have a much nicer and hotter fire. So we're going to show you how we do that now. I'm going to dig this out and we'll bury it, and I'll show you the process.